confidence is below. It's very difficult for arrange within a day because I have to make this solution, arrange a tempo, water, and then the scans. I took the scans, then this line marking, and then I call to you.
So
please.
in a blue jug, in a smaller blue jug,
It's 5%.
5%.
Solution. I will make it tomorrow in laboratory. Again 5% and convert a 1% solution for you.
And how much water is in the blue jug?
140
140
liters plus see here 140 C1 plus 35. How much? 175. Okay. Into 0.01 divide by 0.05. 35 liters. Exactly 35 liters. 0.5% solution adding. So it convert into a 1% solution. Tomorrow I will make, don't worry. नहीं वापस लाने का चालू करना તમે જો બે સ્ટેજમાં કરજો હા એટલે પહેલાં થોડું પીવા દેજો પછી એના પર નાખજો. એક મીટર જ લો, 1 મીટર જ. ધીરે ધીરે રેવડા ને આમ ફેરવો નહીં, આમ આવવાનું
પીવડા હોય એવું કે છે.
હા બસ વધારે
Rajesh,
Huh?
could you explain the percentage of solution and
Okay.
what he's doing?
Let me explain. Three meters wide, you understand? And 1 meter this side. So total is a 3 square meter. So 3 liter per square meter. So 3 into 3, total 9 liter.
This is the Zyco
Bond.
bond.
Let me again explain, please.
Sure.
See, what I did, I made Zyco Bond 5% solution in laboratory for my convenience because I cannot make 1% here, no electricity, no power here. Okay. So I made a 5% solution in laboratory. This 5% solution I took and add water and make a 1% solution.
And when did you prepare the solution?
Today morning.
In the morning.
Today morning when we visited a site, this man have made a 5% solution in stirrer. 1 minute. For an example, I have a 35 liter carbo. This is 35 liter can and 5% solution. Okay. Now I want to make a 1% solution. So 35 into 5 because this is 5%. Now I have to make 1%. I have to 5 times water. 5 times water. So total is a 175 liters. રમેશભાઈ એને પીવડાવજો હા. Correct. Now 175 minus 35, 5% solution. So I have to take 140 liter water and 35 liters 5% solution. It will make a 1% solution. This 1% solution we have to take 3 liter per meter square, means 1 meter by 1 meter we need a 3 liter. Okay. So this he is adding, this can is having a 9 9 liter capacity. So each can will cover 1 meter length. That I'm a beaker.
Got it.
Now this beaker I took for this bucket, I measure how much liter is in one bucket. For an example, this is a 3 liters bucket. Then I added this 3 liters 3 times in this can and it is completely filled. So capacity of this sprayer is 9 liter. And this 9 liter he has to cover 3 liter per meter square. Now it is clear?
Yes.
If you have a facility of motor with a tanker, you can make 1% solution at site by pouring Zycobond chemical directly in tanker. But if you do not have facility, you can make a 5% solution first and then bring this 5% solution at site, take a fresh water, mix it, convert into 1% solution and use it. And that dosage you can take 3 liter per meter square. You cannot consider directly for thumb rule. Every moment for every side 3 liter per meter square is applicable. Sometime it may go higher if it is very soft and very that we can dusty, and if it is like hard it may go little bit less also. But you can visualize this thing. If suppose this is
We're just
like
making sure the ground is saturated.
correct, ground saturate, and this is what exactly, this is a bonding agent like this, so it bonds this thing. But tomorrow you can have a clear idea how much when we pass with this thing. This is, you see, this is completely dark. So when this car will come, like, you can change the difference between these two areas.
ले लो अपनी
What comment?
एक मिनट ले लो આપણે જવાનું
લઈ લો. હા, હવે તમારું પતી ગયું.
હા સાહેબ
તો તમારે વિડીયો લઈ લે હેડો
हाँ हो गया ट्रायल नहीं नहीं वो तो हो गया 10 का देखना था ना अपने को go 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 go
Heck. Yeah.
અથડાઈ ના જવાય એને કંઈ.
ના અથડાય. જો હવે ખરું હવે ખરું
Oh, that's perfect.
હવે ખરું
Very good.